John, your TT Diaries. I can't remember where we
where
we got up to. I've taken over from Chad. I'm guessing we'll start off with Superbike race because I don't think we spoke to you after that. Nice, really, to be as far up as you were.
Proper good, solid race that one. Really, really enjoyed it. Beautiful day. Quite a lot of pressure on my shoulders with the number one and 50-year-old gold suit, gold bike. I was like, I was just feeling a bit of pressure, but as soon as I dropped the clutch, it was mint. And I did 6 strong laps, 2 mid pit stops, and it was a good, honest result. I think that's where we are. We're getting top 6. We've done a good job. Yeah, Sunday was a day off. Monday we're back on the super stock bike, I think. The super stock and super sport. 2 races a day. So super sport race was okay. Struggling with a little bit of.
It seemed a little bit frustrated after the Supersport race. Were you expecting a little bit better from yourself?
I probably was expecting a little bit better from myself and maybe the bike, but you know what? I'm not going to sit here and call anybody. We bought the bike, a bit of a late package together with Robin Croft from SMT, and you know it's difficult just to turn up at the TT, whip a bike out the back of your truck and start winning races. You know, you need to be riding week in, week out. You need to do Northwest 200. But at the end of the day, I got the bike home. I got a bronze replica. You know, the bike was whizzing around the track. Everybody loved seeing it. I enjoyed, in a weird way, sort of enjoyed it really, because it's just been out on the track and the weather was good. And the Superstock race was mint. Yeah, the Superstock race top 10. It's bloody hard class that. It's a real long depth of field. If you can get in the top 10 in that race, you're not going so bad. And sort of hurtling around the track with Hutchie and Toddy passed me, and then Hickey came past me at the end. So it was like there was bits and pieces going on in the race, and I couldn't let Hutchie get out of my sights. He's like been racing with him on and off here for the last 10 years or longer than that. So yeah, that was cool to get a silver replica in the production race, super stock race. And then today's been frustrating. Tuesday was out and about, did a bit of filming. I went down to Peel and I've been so excited for it, for chips and curry at Peel on the beach. So just a mass pile of like unhealthy, greasy chips and a pile of curry, and it was smashed my way through them on the beach, and I had half an hour snooze on the beach. And but no, my chat show Saturday night was really cool, that 100 start chat show, and we've done a bit of work with you guys in the hospitality suite with Shoei and Bennett, and it's been pretty intense, you know, this live thing.
Has it been more than what you expected? Because you might be wrong of me to say, but you're looking a bit tired now.
Well, no, sometimes it's a little bit frustrating.
Yeah.
That's the way it is, you know. This is we're pushing this event forward. You know, the audience is huge. Practice week I've never seen as many people out on the track in practice week. Like, you know, it's 10 deep outside my awning now, and I can't go anywhere in the paddock, which is really weird because I'll just be John McGuinness the Bricky next week when I get home. It's a double-edged sword, you know. You've got to deal with it. You've got to, you know, the phone was red asking me to do all sorts, and after the first race I was 5th, then I was 19th, and then I was 9th. The phone stopped ringing now. It's all hickey fever. So
hey, we keep ringing you, we keep asking you, keep ignoring us. So tomorrow we've got 4-lap race on that thing. What are you expecting from tomorrow? Gonna be nice to get a full proper racing under your belt with it.
Yeah, it'd be nice to do full 4 laps. I mean, I love riding my 600. I've won a couple of 600 races. I've been around here pretty fast on one, but at the minute I'm just not finding that proper groove on it. You know, I need to just let the brake off a bit early, lean it over a bit more, and get on the gas a bit earlier. That's what some of my old managers just tell me. But it's end of the day. I'm expecting a little bit better result than I had on Monday, but the people around me who chucked a few quid in to make it happen, there's no pressure for them. They're not bothered. I mean, it's good to see SMT back in the paddock with Robin Croft, and you know, he supported a lot of riders over the years that have come through the TT ranks and BSB ranks and gone on to do other things. So, you know, he sort of fell out with the job a little bit for a while. Now he's back in and he's loving it. So it's just another team added to the list of entries for the TT. So on that side of it, we've done a good job. But you know, it's like as a rider, you want more, you always want more. But you know, see what tomorrow brings on it, and I'll do my best, and that's all I've got.
Let's look ahead then to the big one on Saturday, I can't remember.
Friday.
So Friday. I'm losing track of days myself. Is it going to be emotional for you that day?
Yeah, I don't know. Do you know what? the 100 start thing was a bit, I was getting a bit welled up at times. Some of the lovely comments, and I can't keep up with it on social media. It's all over, and even in the paddock here, but it does a little bit. It does get you sort of emotionally charged. I'm not saying it's going to because it's my last one or anything like that. I just think we've been away for a while. It's been tough times for everybody. It's just it's been hard. I went through the mill a little bit, get myself back fit, and COVID. I thought I'd never. To be fair, I never thought I'd ever stand on the grid ever again. Especially we were on a factory Honda with number 1 plate on it. And, it was I held my head up high in that race. So senior, it's the blue ribbon race. It's the one we all want. Am I fast enough? Probably not to win it, but if I do 250 corners 6 times correctly, the way I know how to do it, I won't be a million miles away.